Hey, what's up guys? What is going on everyone? Welcome back to Life with Labradors. Today we are with our beautiful 8-week-old yellow Labradors. And today, you guys know what we have planned? Other than chewing my fingers and feet off, we're gonna go swimming. Looks like you want to start. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start things off real nicely. I'm gonna hold on to you and just start paddling. No? You're just gonna lay there? Come on. What are you doing? Come on, babies, paddle. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I've ever seen a little puppy just do this. Hey, babies. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. And let's try it on your own. Very nice, very nice. Go, go, go. Yes, 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 yes. There's the shallow spot. Woo! Yeah, let's do it again. Hold on, hold on. You did so good, so good. Let's try that one more time. Paddles, 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 paddles. There you go, there you go. This way, this way, this way. There you go. All right, all right, all right. You have graduated Swimming Academy. You are a fish. Let's get the next one. Great job. Mwah. Who's next? You did so good. You're not next. You did so good. I'm so proud of you. Oh man, you are such a sweetheart. Okay, well it looks like you're gonna be next. You little rascal. You little rascal. Come here. Oh, gotcha. Come on, let's try it out. All right, start paddling. There you go. There you go. All right, you want to try it on your own? Go. Oh. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Well, hold on, here you go. Here's the shallow part. There you go. Good job, good job. You gotta try it one more time. Oh, okay, okay. All right, it's time to try it on your own. You ready? Go. Yeah. Oh, this way. Here, this is the shallow part. Little help. Boop. There you go. Alrighty, who's next? I think you are. Blast off! Yeah, I got you real good. Alrighty. So this is the pool. This is usually a Labrador's favorite thing after you learn how to swim. Okay, so there you go. Start paddling. There you go. Alright, now try it on your own. This way. Up, 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 up. There you go. There you go. Good job, good job. All right, you ready? Take 2. Thank you. Let's go swimming. Start paddling. There you go. This way, come here, come on. No, you can't get out that way. You gotta go to the shallow side. Go. This isn't the shallow side. This way, this way, this way. There you go. There you go. All right, you did so good. You did so good. All right, yep, I'll help you out. There you go. You did it. All right, here you go. Here you go. Here's your sister. You're next. You ready? You little tyke? Huh? Boop, 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 boop. Let's go swimming! Here we go. The temperature is quite nice. All right, start your paddles. There you go. I think you're gonna be really good at this. Come on. There you go. Oh, you're a champion swimmer. A champion swimmer. Come on, a few more times, a few more times. You ready? Let's go. Good job, good job, good job. This way, this way, this way. Woo! Yeah! You did so good. Oh my goodness, so good. You're a natural. Did you like it? You just want to get out? Okay. Look at little puppy belly. Oh my goodness. All right. There you go. There you go, floppy monster. You're looking awfully dry. I think you are the last one. Am I right? Yeah, I am right, huh? But next time, don't snitch, okay? Let's go swimming! Woo! All right, this is gonna be a ton of fun, okay? A ton of fun. First, I'm just gonna hold you. Start your paddles. You ready to go on your own already? All right, come on. Oh, you're a tank. Good job, good job, good job. Look at you, look at you. You're doing great. You're doing great. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, no, you can't just hold my hand. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you are so cute. All right, come on, come on. Let's go this way. Come on, swim, swim, swim. Come on. You got it, you got it. Oh, you're not a very good swimmer. Okay, okay, I'll take you out. Oh my gosh. You are so cute. All right, here you go. This is the step. This is the part that you can touch. You want to keep swimming? It doesn't look like you're floating, buddy. Here, this is where you get out. You want to swim? Look at that. We've got our own little swimmer. You're not too floaty, but or buoyant, I guess is the term. Okay, okay. You did great. Oh my goodness. There you go. I'll give you a little boost. You are a fish. You're an absolute fish. Okay, come on. Here, now you can get out. Why don't you want to get out? Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job. You did so good. So good. Hi guys, you all did so well. Congratulations, you all graduated the swimming academy. If I had hats, I would give you each one, but I know that they wouldn't stay on very long. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video of teaching these beautiful, absolutely beautiful 5 yellow labs how to swim. Some of us did great, some of us not so great, but we all had a ton of fun. And we're still having a ton of fun, huh? Anyways, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next episode. But for now, we're gonna be saying, pause out. There you go. But that was all assisted, so let's try that on your own. You did so good. So good. Try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, swim! Go! Woohoo! You ready? Take 2. Thank you. Let's go swimming.